So the guy who had parted out this car and sold it to me had actually kept a few things like the wheels and the transmission, some of the higher value things. And that transmission stayed for sale. It's a TR3650 5-speed, same as the GTs and the Mach 1s. The Mach 1s do have a different overdrive ratio, but basically same transmission. And I was thinking a lot about it, and I thought, I should probably buy that transmission from him in case this car does get put back together. That would be a harder piece to find and ship and get. So I went ahead and picked that up from him. I went and bought it, and he sold it to me for a pretty decent price. He told me that the transmission had no issues before, it shifted fine and everything. It has 155,000 miles on it, but I think it might have been rebuilt once because I can see some blue RTV between the casing there. But anyway, I cleaned up this casing a lot with the Scotch-Brite. It's just raw aluminum, but I wanted to clean it up really nice and just store it. And it was a little dirty back here, but the inside was dirty, had brake dust and stuff, but I cleaned it all up the best I could, washed it all out, and just cleaned the case a lot, got the bell housing cleaned off on the inside. And so I just wanted to get this because I have so many cars that use this transmission. You never know when you'll find a GT with a blown transmission that someone's going to sell cheap because of that, and so I just thought it'd be a great piece to pick up. And so now I have it, and that's just a little update on the zinc yellow GT. It might go back in the car if that car ever gets back on the road, or I could use it for other projects, but I just thought it was a good piece to grab, and so I did that. So just wanted to update everybody with that. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more Mustang content.